What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? This is your boy AJ Aguilar, and if this is your very first time here today and you are all about how-tos, reviews, and interviews, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the bell notifications for more videos. Today I'm going to show you guys how to clean the throttle of a 2013 Chevy Equinox LT 2.4 ecotec. Let's go. I didn't do a video, guys, showing you guys how my RPMs was going above the 1000 RPMs. It was literally going like up and down, above 1000, under 1000, and it was pretty bad. It was rough. And like I said, once I changed the solenoids, the exhaust and the intake, it like got super better, and but there's still a little bit left, and I decided to go ahead and clean out the throttle, and let's see how it goes. And it should start smooth. First thing you need to do is take off this ecotec cover. So you first need to take off this right here, this hose. The second thing you got to do is you got to unscrew this clamp, and there's another one right over here, right there. After you do that, you can take this off and you'll have perfect access to your throttle. The tools that you need to be able to clean your throttle are, the most important thing, your throttle cleaner, and you can get it at your local auto parts store. In this case, I got all my tools and I get everything that I work on this car, I'll get it from O'Reilly. They have great deals, great discount, and I recommend O'Reilly. Make sure you guys find your nearest O'Reilly Auto Parts and search for your tools there. The second thing you need is a ratchet and a socket. With a 10mm socket with an extension, you don't really need this, but I always use extensions just because it's better for me. And again, I also got this at O'Reilly Auto Parts. The other tool you guys need is flat screwdriver. In this case, I got this little ratchet flat screwdriver. I just love it. It's awesome. You are also gonna need brush to scrub it off, okay? Also, and a little piece of scrubby that you can use to scrub the walls of the throttle. So you're gonna get your flat screwdriver and you are gonna unscrew this. The next one's gonna be this one that you gotta do too. And to take these holes off is easy. All you gotta do is just pull it back. Once you take it off, okay, it's gonna take you just a little bit. You know, you gotta be careful when you're taking it off, okay, from here. See this? These two of them go here. So when you put it back, make sure they are in their respective holes. And that's basically it. Now you have full access of your throttle. So to take off the throttle, you are gonna loosen up the 4 bolts here, and you are gonna use your 10mm socket to loosen them up. That's one. That's the other one. The other one, and the last one. All right, you need to disconnect it from the sensor. Okay, you see the little piece, the red piece here? That is a security pin. You're supposed to get it out just a little bit, and then you can take off the sensor. I'm gonna use my flat screwdriver, by the way. Or you can just do it with your fingers, but just pull it back a little bit. Just like that, and that's it. Then now you can just press it here and go out. When you put it back in, make sure you press this back in to lock it. You want to put something there that will cover it because you don't want any dust or anything falling in your engine, because that could cause problems too. Now this is from the inside. That is not good, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and start cleaning it from the inside first. Once you spray a little bit of that cleaner, you want to go ahead and leave it there for at least 15 seconds. That's why you gotta keep maintenance on your car, guys. Regular basic maintenance that you need to do. All right, guys, so I just started cleaning it a little bit, okay? So look at my toothbrush. Look at this. This is bad. So, you know, you want to take off everything, okay? As much as you need, but you gotta clean it up as soon as possible. Everything you need to clean it, everything, and wipe it down. It's looking a lot cleaner. You see this? So once you clean it up, like you guys saw, okay, you do the very best you can, okay? That's all. As long as it's clean, pretty clean, you're gonna put it back. You have a gasket, a seal gasket here, okay? Now with that seal gasket, you don't want to move that. You want to make sure that it stays right there, okay? And here. See, it's gonna go inside. Press, just all you gotta do is just press. You're gonna feel a little click. If your car has the little click, the little security pin, go ahead and push it back in. Just like that. And you just gotta put your cap back on the engine and you're good to go. You're gonna make sure that you have it covered. So you're gonna go in there and you're gonna kind of, once it's in there, you're gonna push it down. And then, but it's not done yet, okay? Because I gotta make sure I have that first, and then I'll secure this. Don't forget about this. You're gonna put this hose back. Make sure you're just gonna push it back in, and it's gonna do a little click, just like that. Goes in right there. You're gonna push it out. I can see metal from my side here. All right, and let me show you. You see that metal right there? You see these, guys? You don't want to see that metal. You gotta make sure that it's pushed down all the way. You heard that? Once you hear that little click, the pressure, that means it's completely sealed, and you're just gonna tighten up this bolt right here. So we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up with a flat screwdriver. Make sure that it's tightened up. All right, this is all the way in. The cap is good. The sensor's good. You put it back already, and you made sure that there was no metal down here until you make sure it was completely down, and you tighten this up, and voila, guys. Look at the RPMs, guys. It's steady, and that's what you want. You want your RPM to be steady at right at the 1000 RPMs, okay? As you can see, by cleaning the throttle can solve a lot of problems. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications for more videos. Like I said, this channel, it's all about how-tos, reviews, and interviews. Peace.